Welcome back to Buy Smart, where we help you dodge buyer's remorse like it's a bad Tinder date. Today, we're diving into the electrifying world of uninterruptible power supplies, or, as I call them, things that keep your computer from spontaneously combusting during a power outage. First up, let's talk about the price. The APC is a whopping $101, while the Amazon Basics is playing it cool at $59. Reviewers mention that the Amazon Basics is an affordable option, perfect for those on a budget, but some caution that you might be sacrificing durability for price. In contrast, the APC is often recommended for its reliability, even if it costs a bit more. So, if you're on a budget, you might be tempted to go with the Amazon Basics. But remember, sometimes you pay for what you get, like that time I bought a gourmet hot dog from a gas station. Spoiler alert, it didn't end well. Now, let's look at compatibility. The APCRBC124 is like a universal remote, compatible with a ton of APC UPS models. It's got a 2-year warranty, so you're basically set for a mini vacation from battery anxiety. Reviewers praise the APC for its compatibility with PowerChute software, ensuring smooth operation. Meanwhile, the Amazon Basics is like that one friend who can only hang out with certain people. It's great for desktops, home networks, and IoT devices, but good luck trying to connect it to your grandma's vintage lamp. Some users have mentioned difficulties in finding suitable replacements for the Amazon Basics after its initial use, which could be a hassle down the line. Moving on to features, the APC is all about quality, with a recycling program so you can ditch your old battery guilt-free. Reviewers appreciate this added benefit, as well as the fact that the battery can last 3 to 4 years with proper care. On the flip side, the Amazon Basics offers 8 outlets, which is fantastic for basic setups. However, several reviewers have pointed out that its limited power capacity makes it unsuitable for high-demand devices. Just make sure you check the total power consumption. It's not a buffet where you can just pile on the devices. Let's talk design. The APC looks sleek and professional, ready to take on the world, or at least your home office. Reviewers love its aesthetic appeal and compactness. Meanwhile, the Amazon Basics is compact and fits easily into any environment. It's like that friend who can crash on your couch without rearranging your entire living room. Users have noted that its size is perfect for small setups, but some feel it lacks the sturdiness that the APC provides. Finally, power management. The APC keeps your devices running like a well-oiled machine, with reviewers noting its reliability during outages. Meanwhile, the Amazon Basics has software you can download, but let's be real, who actually reads the instructions? A few users mentioned issues with the software, including concerns about viruses, which can be a deal-breaker for some. Overall, the APC seems to provide a more straightforward and reliable power management experience. In summary, both products have their strengths and weaknesses. The APC UPS battery replacement is praised for its reliability, compatibility, and overall quality, despite a higher price. On the other hand, the Amazon Basics Standby UPS 6 OOVA is appreciated for its affordability and compact design, but users caution that it may not be suitable for high-demand devices and could face issues with customer support. So which one should you buy? If you want reliability and compatibility, the APC is your go-to. But if you're looking for something budget-friendly and compact, the Amazon Basics might just fit the bill. Just remember, you get what you pay for, unless you're buying hot dogs at a gas station. Thanks for tuning in to Buy Smart. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a chance to make better purchasing decisions. Until next time, stay powered up and keep your wallets happy.